Okay, what's up guys? Let me know if you hear me good. I guess sound should be okay. Welcome Philip, what's up? Long time no see you. Welcome back. Today, unemployment claims. I will not talk much about that news because we have it in next 10 minutes. Also geopolitics, nothing important from yesterday bonus session, nothing important on geopolitics, so let's skip it. Yeah, that was deal with Canada and things like that. I was break it down during the bonus session yesterday. So we're waiting for the unemployment claims, less than 8 minutes. And gold. Yesterday we talked about the return for the zones, that gray one and the second one between yellow lines, and we talk about it somewhere here. I was told you I'm waiting for the pullback for buys, and there is also possibility to one more spike up between that two yellow lines and then sells into our zones. Market play perfectly deep between the yellow lines and do the sells during the Tokyo and London. Now we are waiting for the New York Open. We almost tapped that gray zone, so I was looking at the 1 minute break of structure here. There is 1 minute break of structure. I'm just enter my trade and we will see. 45 TP here or here for that fib levels on weekly 1 to 5 risk to reward, so we will see. What can happen during the news? Gold just fly from where is that now, or for me, first scenario, fly, continue flying from where is that now. Second scenario, deep for the zone, sweep the liquidity, print the break of structure again, and then go. If we didn't print anything here with deep down, I will just wait for that yellow lines zone. But for me, first scenario is just run to the upside. So let's see what happened. I'm holding my position. I'm still holding my position on silver. I have the same zone for buys. Yeah, sometimes they tend to miss the zone by a few pips, but that's why I'm setting my alert above the zone, a few dollars above the zone. I got 55 if I'm not wrong yesterday. Yeah, 55. I got 55. They just notification me, so I opened the chart. I was waiting for the price action deep into the zone, but it print break of structure first, so I was just open the position, and let's see what happened. I'm aware of stop loss. It's a bit coin flip, risky setup, because news come in next 5 minutes and we still not touch the zone. But yeah, let's see. 15-minute big volume, so there is possible effort to sweep effort candle, maybe sweep that week, print the break of structure and go again. We will see. I took it with light risk. I don't want to risk a lot before end of the week. That was great week. Every setup from Tuesday play out. Some setups from rabbit hole also play out. So that was great week and I don't want to risk too much. Mm, 2.5 minutes. Let's check the silver. Silver 50% FIBS at the 64.9. Yeah, let's say 65. I need to drink some water. And 61 to 78 FIBS is that gray box. Can silver get that low? I don't know. I'm still holding position from here on silver, and my overall target is $70. I will partial it here, 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 and that's 70. If we dip into the zone, I will add more positions on silver. And for gold, yeah, I will open normal risk if we dip into the first zone or second one. It's interesting because FIBS %, FIB is 25, 61% FIB is flat 400. Can we go that deep? It's hard. That's why I use previous resistance, turn into support, and yeah, I'm using previous resistance for the support. The first support on gold. Same as you, Philip. Sometimes FIBS showing too much retracement for gets into 0.5 or 61. Market structure is not only FIBS, it's also support and resistance. And sometimes it's very simply, it's just a break, retest and go. You don't need FIBS, fixed volume range, volume and things like that. So let's see if break and retest traders can hold it or not. Oh, 5 minutes is not looking good. For now, 5 minute break of structure is here. That will be better confirmation than 1 minute. And let's check the data. It's lower than expected, but still, and lower than previous. But still, this is literally the same numbers. It's very close. 3K difference and 4K difference. That's why there is a black color. not green or red, it's just black, because they are very accurate. Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, I don't know what is that one, to be honest. Is it mid impact? I don't know. Let's set the alerts and let's go for the dollar. Dollar inside the reversal zone. Oh, if we print a break of structure here on dollar, that's going to be interesting. It's gonna be also 4-hour break of structure. If 4-hour close above that level. I will be careful with that dollar. Maybe. Maybe something like that. I'm not super confident with dollar, but if we do the break of structure, it's gonna be it's gonna be good with my strategy, so yeah, wait for dollar break of structure here. I'm not playing sells on dollar, only if we get there, maybe some sells for pullback or new low, but be careful with break of structure on dollar. Dollar can reversal. So I will watch the dollar closely. Silver is fighting. Gold is fighting. Copper dying. Oh, it's... Man, copper feel whole move from yesterday. It's sick. Look at gold. Gold is not even in the 50%. Silver also not even in the 50%. And copper? Inside the fibs probably. Yeah, 61 to 78. Crazy. Let's skip. It should be break even at all. S&P die. Stop loss on S&P. First idea 1 to 4. Continuation idea stop loss. Stop loss. And S&P probably going for the daily zone. And in daily zone I want to see 4-hour break of structure for continue to the upside again, and from that zone that will be sick swing. 4-hour break of structure, pull back, stop below the low. You know, we can snipe better stop loss size, but I need price action, and I will wait for that S&P for sure. 4-hour break of structure inside. Euro. 1 hour is dealing with EMA 20. I don't like that Phipps, to be honest. Yeah, I will skip Euro. I don't like that Phipps. Macro U downside, yeah, we got the downside move, and that was everything for Euro. Euro also skipped a zone. Okay, liquidity here. Maybe like this on daily. Trap candle 61.78. No, I don't like Euro. GU seems better. But we get the full target, so we get the full target on GU. So probably wait for sells, but GU can push higher, to be honest. 1 to 3 from where is that now? It's good. Yep, we'll see. We'll see. GU is active to the upside. Targeting that high, 1 to 3, risk to reward. UJ. One to 2.5. It's UJ is slow. There is fair value gap. Let me delay that zone. There is some fair value gap. Phipps higher. I want to see continuation to the downside, even if that dollar do the breakout structure to the upside. It's struggling. EMA 20 trying to reject that 1 hour candle. So still I didn't see any confirmation for the reversal at now. Needs to wait for that breakout structure first. Swiss franc almost tapped the zone, and I believe we can still go down to the zone. Man, that trades were sick. 1 to 14, 1 to 13. pretty sick. That was logic target and that was full swing TP. Come on, it's literally thick. We open it at Tuesday during the session. We opened that trade just on the session and it gave you 1 to 6.5 almost in the first target, second target 1 to 14, for now 1 to 11. Crazy. Bitcoin coming to 75. Just flying. So I will skip Bitcoin. And oil 3% to the upside and hit stop loss. Damn. That was the setup from yesterday. It gave it not even, that was not even 1-to-1. So oil hit stop loss and now one hour break of structure. It's risky, but with Fips I want to see more price action on oil. It's Thursday, so I don't want to touch it before the weekend. We will back to the oil at Sunday. Let's check that gold. A lot of mass. Let me... Five minutes. If 5 minutes print the break of structure, we should be fine. Volume goes down. 2 minute engulfing candle, engulfing volume. Yeah, it looks good. That was also 2 minute break of structure when I played 1 minute. That was also 2 minutes. It's not looking bad for now. I just need to see a breakout of that 5 minute structure. We can delete it because it's give us a mess. With 5 minute close above it, I think we are fine. But the position is my position is running. Midweek reversal, Thursday, Friday. I don't know, even if we can see a reversal, that's going to be maximum somewhere below 400. I don't think so. We are going for the full reversal now. Weekly Fips. Let's use other chart. There is a mess also here. Yeah, it's clean. Oh, we already tap the weekly 61. It's interesting. I think we can go deeper. We can see also a trap candle here. Here is a trap candle. I think we can go a bit deeper, maybe above that wick, that liquidity at 600, around 600. Maybe print break of structure to the downside, and then will be the question if we are going for the lower low on weekly, or we are going for some retracement and push higher into 5k. Because if you remember, when we speculate about gold, one day when we speculate about gold, I'm just telling you, when volume goes down, with lower lows, we can see a possibility of swept liquidity from here return to the FIBs, print break of structure on the higher time frame, and push for the all-time highs. This is of course speculating for the future price action. It's not gonna to be in next 2 weeks or next month. Probably it's a plan for half year or something like that, but we can see something like this, you know. Liquidity sweep, return for 61.78 and push higher. That's a logic scenario for me, but first we are facing with this level here, and it depends if we go for new low or just a retracement, push higher, sweep liquidity, return for the FIBs, and GG, you know. We'll see. For now, gold's trying to climb. We meet EMA 20. Let's see if that EMA do something or not. That was also big volume. Even the biggest than news outcome. It's look at the news volume here. News volume and volume from 2 p.m. Volume from 2 p.m. news volume. News was literally low impact, super low impact today. One hour candle, pin bar. Yeah, we got that. I mean, we almost tapped the zone. We print the break of structure on the 5 minute. I was playing 1 minute, like I told you. I was playing 1 minute with stop at 45. Now I'm 0.77. Cool, pretty cool. But yeah, it's hold. Sometimes you can draw your zone and market just say, I don't want to dip into the zone. I just almost touch it miss it by few pips, I print break of structure and I go to the upside. So that's why setting the alerts above the zone is so important. My previous alert from yesterday was 55, you can see here. Oh, is the stream working? Yeah, it's working. My alert was set at the 55. I was set it at the yesterday bonus session. So that's why I play that setup when I set the alert exactly above the zone. I will just miss it. I will take a shower, clean my flat, go shopping, everything, leaving, you know, and still don't know if gold coming for me. That's why playing alerts above the zone is very important, because you got the impulse before, so you can check it and you have a time to do anything. That was potential for lower low. So 80 area can reject, we will see. 80 area can reject, EMA 20 is coming for the 15-minute time frame, but we are in the uptrend, so I'm just playing only upside confirmation. And with downside confirmation, what I can do, only manage my position. Let's hope we can hit into 50 before end of the week. Is it possible? Yeah, it's a bit far away, but possible. 525 is this is the area for the TPs. First TP 500, second TP 25, third TP around 40, and final TP around 50. Okay, I will sit here 5 more minutes till that 1 hour candle close, and that's gonna be it from myself. So there is a time for your question. You can ask whatever you want. Stream earlier today because I will be busy later and I want to do the stream today to keep my consistency. We see again at Sunday at the 10 p.m. CST, and in September we will change that hour for 9 p.m. After the summer we change that hour for 9 p.m. like before the summer. That 10 p.m. only for the summer. I will do the vote on the Discord. Maybe community want to keeps that 10 p.m. If community wants to keeps that 10 p.m. we will keep it. But first plan was only for the summer, so we will see. This time is better for life instead of later. No question. Philip, for some people, this time is better. For others, it's worst because they want to trade close to the market open, and it depends on your lifestyle, to be honest. For me, that 10 p.m. was better at the summer because sunset is later, so I'm usually outside till sunset, especially on Sunday. I want to chill somewhere, and 10 p.m. fits me good during the summer, but rest of the year, like a spring, autumn, and winter, I believe 9 p.m. will be better because most of the people sitting at home, outside is cold, rainy, and snowy during the winter, so 9 p.m. can be better after the summer. My proposal is 9 p.m. after the summer, but let decide the let the decision for the community. It's gonna be 5 people maximum. Okay, so at the beginning of the September, I will do the vote on the Discord for the rabbit hole hours, and we change it or not change it at the middle of the September. So 13 or 20 September, rabbit hole hours can change. Let's go! That was sick, man. That was sick. That futures diverging, spotted, and also last year same pattern before the run. It's sick. I will spot that futures after Wednesday session or Thursday session, and I back to it at Sunday rabbit hole. I want to keep that information as a special information. Yeah, that was sick. Also here, beautiful move. Here, GG. And today, maybe also new high. Gold is crazy, man. Gold is crazy. Okay, there is no question. I break down everything. So let it run. Maybe protect yourself with break even, manage your position. Just do what you want. Everything what you see here is not the recommendation. It's just my point of view. At least your decision is yours. So I wish you great weekend. We see again at Sunday. Take care. And yeah, thank you for being here with me today. I hope you get some value. Bye bye, guys. See you at Sunday.